Ever wonder what's happening inside your head? Your brain is like a bustling city, running everything from your thoughts to your heartbeat. The secret to this rapid communication? Tiny invisible messengers called neurotransmitters. Imagine them as couriers, delivering critical information all over your brain city. They tell you when to feel happy, sleepy, focused, or when to move. Without neurotransmitters, your brain would be a silent city. No messages, no action. Every experience from laughter to solving problems relies on these messengers. They work non-stop, ensuring signals reach the right places at the right time. It's like sending a text, fast, precise, and essential for connection. Neurotransmitters travel between nerve cells, carrying instructions that shape your thoughts, emotions, and actions. Billions of these messages are sent every second, powering the most sophisticated computer on Earth, your brain. So, as we explore the brain, remember, these tiny couriers are the real stars behind everything you do, think, and feel. Let's dive in and meet them. To understand neurotransmitters, let's look at their delivery system. Neurons. Neurons are the buildings and roads of our brain city, each with a cell body, axon, and dendrites. The axon acts like a highway, sending electrical signals out. Dendrites are the receivers, catching incoming messages. Messages flow one way. Dendrites receive, the cell body processes, and the axon sends. But neurons don't touch. There's a tiny gap called the synapse. This is where neurotransmitters do their work. When an electrical signal reaches the end of an axon, it triggers the release of neurotransmitters into the synapse. These messengers cross the gap and bind to receptors on the next neuron, like a key fitting a lock. Once enough messengers dock, a new electrical signal is triggered and the message continues. This entire process happens in a fraction of a millisecond. It's a lightning-fast relay race that powers every thought, feeling, and movement. That's the magic of your brain's delivery system. Now let's meet the superstar messengers. Dopamine is the reward chemical released when you experience pleasure or achieve a goal, motivating you to repeat those actions. Serotonin is the mood messenger, helping regulate happiness, calm, and emotional stability, as well as sleep and appetite. Acetylcholine is the learning and memory specialist, crucial for attention, forming memories, and even moving your muscles. GABA is the brain's main calming messenger, reducing neuron activity to help you relax and sleep. Norepinephrine is the alertness messenger, kicking in during stress or excitement to sharpen focus and prepare you for action. Each neurotransmitter has a unique job, but together, they keep your brain city running smoothly. Whether you're feeling joy, learning something new, or winding down for sleep, these chemicals are at work. They're the architects of your experience, shaping how you think, feel, and act. The balance between them is what keeps your mind and body in harmony. So, every emotion, memory, and movement starts with these chemical superstars. They're small, but their impact is huge. Let's see how they work together. Each neurotransmitter has a specialized role, but they often team up to manage your brain and body. Dopamine isn't just about reward. It drives motivation, focus, and smooth movement. That feeling of satisfaction after finishing a project? Thank dopamine. Serotonin is your emotional conductor, balancing mood and even connecting to your gut and sleep cycle. It helps produce melatonin, ensuring restful sleep. Acetylcholine powers learning, memory, and muscle movement. Every new skill or memory relies on it. It boosts your brain's ability to adapt and form new connections. GABA keeps your brain from becoming overstimulated, helping you relax and focus. Norepinephrine sharpens attention and prepares you for action, balancing with GABA to manage stress and energy. The interplay between these messengers is crucial for focus, rest, and emotional balance. Too much or too little of anyone can throw things off. Their teamwork is what keeps you alert, calm, and ready for anything. That's the power of your brain's messenger crew. Sometimes the brain's messenger system needs help. If neurotransmitter levels are off, doctors may prescribe medicines to restore balance. These medicines don't create new messengers. They adjust how existing ones work in the synapse. For example, SSRIs, a common antidepressant, block the reuptake of serotonin, letting it stay longer in the synapse to boost mood. Stimulants for ADHD increase dopamine and norepinephrine, improving focus and impulse control. These medications fine-tune the brain's communication, not by flooding it with chemicals, but by helping messages get delivered more effectively. It can take time for the brain to adjust, but the goal is a healthy balance. Medicines are tools to help the brain city run smoothly when its messengers need support. They're not instant fixes, but they can make a real difference for many people. Understanding how they work helps us see mental health as a matter of chemistry, not character. It's all about helping the brain communicate better. What happens when the messenger system breaks down? Take dopamine. In Parkinson's disease, dopamine-producing neurons die off, leading to tremors, stiffness, and trouble moving. The brain tries to send movement commands, but the messages get lost without enough dopamine couriers. This shows how a single chemical imbalance can have huge effects on the body. Serotonin imbalances are linked to depression. When levels are low or receptors don't respond, mood regulation suffers. The result can be persistent sadness and loss of interest as emotional signals get stuck. These examples highlight how crucial neurotransmitter balance is for both mental and physical health. It's not just about mood, it affects sleep, movement, and daily life. Imbalances can disrupt everything, showing the real-world impact of these tiny messengers. Understanding this helps us appreciate the importance of brain chemistry. It's a reminder that caring for our brains is essential. The story of your brain is a story of non-stop chemical conversation. Neurotransmitters are the words in this language, shaping every thought, feeling, and action. They influence your personality, mood, motivation, and abilities. Are you a risk-taker or cautious? A morning person or night owl? Your unique mix of messengers helps decide. While life experiences matter, your brain's chemistry is the foundation. Understanding neurotransmitters demystifies behavior and mental health, showing these are biological challenges, not personal failings. Every new skill or emotion physically changes your brain, strengthening messenger pathways. Science reveals the beauty of this invisible system. Next time you feel happy, focused, or calm, remember the city inside your head. Billions of neurons, trillions of messages, thanks to neurotransmitters. They may be tiny, but they connect us to the world and ourselves. The real magic of being human is chemical, and it's happening right now.